Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 5.2. In our class we shall solve a CQ-18. CQ number 18. My dear student, today is our lecture number 13 and SW number 12. And we shall solve CQ18 as CW and it will be also your SW. Just like CQ18 is where is written, and after that I solve this, I give you SW, and this is your SW also. My dear students, at first we read the question first. A equal x square minus 5x plus 6. B equal x square minus 7x plus 12. C equal x square minus 9x plus 20 are three algebraic expressions. That means three algebraic expressions are given. They are A, B and C. By using this expression we shall solve three questions. Questions A, B and C. Question A is find the difference between x by y and x plus y by y. My dear students, difference means subtraction. That means we subtract this second expression from the first expression and we get the required answer. Question number B, express 1 by B plus 1 by C into the lowest term. Okay, it is difficult questions, not. We add these two expressions because the expression of V and C is given. Here B is x square minus 7x plus 12 and C is x square minus 9x plus 20. By putting the value of B and C, then we add this two fraction. After that we get an answer, then we transfer that answer into the lowest form. Okay. Number C, turn 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C into the fractions with a common denominator. It is so easy because we have already learned this in class 6, 7. Okay. My dear students, here 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, and the value of A, B and C is given. By using this, the value of A, B and C, we use this fraction. After that we convert this fraction with a common denominator. So let us solve our first question. Here question number A. A is find the difference between x by y and x plus y by y. My dear students, difference means we do subtraction. That means we subtract this second expression from the first expression. So let us, here the first expression is x by y and the second expression is x plus y by y. My dear students, as the question asks you to find the difference, then we do subtraction. That means in order to subtract these two expressions, at first we find the LCM of the denominator. Here denominators of the two fractions are y and y, and the LCM of y and y is y. So we write y as the LCM. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. Here LCM is y and denominator is y. We divide y by y and we get 1. And this 1 is multiplied with this x and we get x on the x. So here we write x. Next minus sign is here. After that you notice here also denominator y and LCM is y. We divide this y by y and we get 1. And this 1 is multiplied with this x plus y and it will be x plus y. X plus y. My dear student, you ask me why I give you plus bracket sign. If you don't give bracket sign, then you must change the sign. That means if we multiply this minus sign by the x plus y, then that will be minus x and minus y. As we don't give minus x minus y, for this reason so we give first bracket. Here you notice next x, this minus is multiplied with the sign of the number with inside the bracket. That means minus plus and it will be minus. minus plus, and it will be minus by y. Here notice minus x plus x. If we subtract x from x, then we get 0. Here we cut minus x plus x and left minus y. So here minus y by y. Now we cut this y by y and we get minus 1. I hope you have understood how to subtract a fraction by another fraction, and this is the required answer. After solving, you must write answer. Okay, here you write answer minus 1. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood questions number A. Okay, next we shall solve question number B. As we start to solve question number B, I erase question number A. Okay. My dear students, notice here question number B is express 1 by B plus 1 by C into the lowest form. Okay, 1 by B plus 1 by C. At first we do addition and the value of B and C is given in the stem. Okay, so first of all, in order to solve this math, at first we write given that. Okay, given that B equal to what? B equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. My dear student, notice here x square minus 7x plus 12. So we resolve this into factors. So how can we notice that x square minus 7x plus 12? We resolve this expression into factors by using middle term brag method. How can? At first we multiply this by this, that means x square with 12, and it will be 12x square. Okay, then we break this 12x square, that means their addition will be minus 7x and their multiplication will be 12x square. Here 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 12. Here you notice 2 2s are 4 and 3. If we multiply 4 with 3, then we get 12. But if we add 4 and 3, we get 7. But here is minus 7. So we take minus 4 and minus 3. If we multiply, then we get 12. And if we add, then we get minus 7. I hope you have understood. X square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Okay, done? Do you understand? Okay, here x square minus 4x. From these two expressions, which one is common? Notice x square and here x. So we take x as common. If we divide x square by x, then we get x. Minus sign is here. After that we divide 4x by x and we get 4. Okay, done. First two is done. Next we shall take common from minus 3x and plus 12. You notice 3 is common both. Here 3 and here 12. Now minus 3 common, and here if we divide minus 3x by 3 and we get plus, and if we divide 12 by minus 3, then we get minus 4. I hope you have understood. From this whole expression, x minus 4 is common. Okay, x minus 4 common, and left x, and here left minus 3, and this is the factors of the expression. That means expression of b is x minus 4 into x minus 3. I hope you have understood. Okay, next, and the value of c is also given. Here c is x square minus 9x plus 20. Here you notice x square, we multiply x square with 20 and it will be 20x square. We break this 20x square into two factors. Just like that, if we multiply, then we get 20x square, and if we add, then we get minus 9x. Take 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 5 are 20. If we add, then we get 9. Here you notice minus 9. So we take minus 5 minus 4. If we multiply, 5 4s are 20, minus minus plus. And if you add minus 4 with minus 5, then we get minus 9. So we write x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. From these two expression x square minus 5x, we take x common and left x minus 5. After that, from 4x plus 20 we take 4 common. Common means we divide minus 4x by minus 4 and we get x. We divide this plus 20 by minus 4 and we get 5. Okay. From this whole expression x minus 5 is common. Okay, x minus 5 common and left x minus 4. I hope you understood how to resolve a expression into factors by using middle term break. Okay. So the value of b is x minus 4 into x minus 3 and the value of c is x minus 5 into x minus 4. Now we express 1 by b plus 1 by c into the lowest form. Now 1 by b plus 1 by c. My dear students, what is the value of b? The value of b is x minus 4 into x minus 3. Now we put x minus 4 into x minus 3 plus, what is the value of c? The value of c is x minus 5 into x minus 4. My dear students, now we add these two expression. In order to add these two expression, what can we do? Just like subtraction, we find at first the LCM of the denominator. Here you notice denominators are x minus 4, x minus 3 and x minus 5, x minus 4. The LCM of these two denominators are x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. LCM means common and uncommon term. Here notice x minus 4, x minus 4, we take x minus 4, x minus 3 left, we take x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 5. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. If we divide, then we get x minus 5. How can? If we divide x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5 by x minus 4, x minus 3, we get x minus 5 because x minus 4 and x minus 3 is cut. And left x minus 5. X minus 5 is multiplied with this one and it will be x minus 5. Okay, this plus sign is here. After that, we divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction and we get x minus 3. And x minus 3 is added with this one and it will be x minus 3. My dear students, as the sign is plus, so if we multiply this sign plus minus a plus, so you need not write bracket here. Okay, after that we solve. Okay, my dear students, here you notice x minus 5, x minus 3. Here x, that means 2x minus 5 minus 3 and it will be minus 8 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. My dear students, notice this is the required summation of 1 by b plus 1 by c. But the question asks you express 1 by b plus 1 by c into the lowest form. That means we convert this expression fraction into lowest form. Here you notice 2x minus 8. So 2 is common. If we take 2 common, then left x. If we divide 8 by 2 and you get 4. Here x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. Notice x minus 4, x minus 4. So x minus 4 is cut and left here 2 and denominator x minus 3, x minus 5. And this is the required answer. I hope you have understood how to find the answer of this after adding this two expression. Okay, my dear students, please notice again. At first I write given that because the expression is 1 by b plus 1 by c. As we need b and c, so first we convert this b into factors, then convert this c into factors. After that we put the value of c and b, then we do addition. After addition we take 2 common and left 2 into x minus 4 and divided by LCM. Now x minus 4 cut and left 2 into x minus 3 x minus 4, and it is the lowest form of this addition of 1 by b plus 1 by c. I hope you have understood question number b. Next we shall solve question number c, but here you notice turn 1 by a plus 1 by a comma 1 by b comma 1 by c into fraction with a common denominator. So we need the value of a, b and c, but in b we have already convert this expression into factors. We all have already convert c into factors, so we need the value of b and need the value of c. The value of b is x minus 4 x minus 3. Value of c is x minus 5 x minus 4. Now I erase this. My dear students, here see, first 1 by a, so we need the value of a. First of all we write given that a equal x square minus 5x plus c. Here you notice x square minus 5x plus 6. So we use here middle term break, x square into 6, and it will be 6x square. Then we break this 6x square into 2 factors. So 3 into 2, it will be 6, but here minus, so we take minus. 2 3s are 6 and minus plus. So minus 3 minus 2, if we add, then we get minus 5. So minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. X common left, x minus 3 minus 2 common left, x minus 3. Okay, x minus 3 from the whole expression, x minus 3 is common and left x minus 2. Okay, so a is done. What is the value of b? b is x square minus 7x plus 12, and x square minus 7x plus 12 is x minus 4 and x minus 3. How can? You must write here from b. Okay, and c equal what? C equal x square minus 9x plus 20. What is the value of c? X minus 5 into x minus 4. How can we get this? You must write from b. Okay, done? Okay, my dear students, now we find 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. So 1 by a equal to, now we put the value of a here, x minus 2 x minus 3. You can also write x minus 3 into x minus 2. b equal, 1 by b equal 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 4, and 1 by c equal, first of all write 1 as numerator, then denominator x minus 5 x minus 4. I hope you have understood. Okay, a 1 by a equal this, 1 by b equal this, 1 by c equal this. My dear students, now we find the LCM of these 3 fractions. So before starting to find out the LCM of these 3 expressions, at first we find the denominator of the 3 fractions, right? Denominators of the 3 fractions are x minus 2 x minus 3, one denominator, x minus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay, so the denominators are here. Now we find out the LCM. So how can LCM means common and uncommon term. Here you notice x minus 2, so we take x minus 2. Next x minus 3, x minus 3. From these two we take 1x minus 3. X minus 3 already taken. X minus 4, x minus 4. So we take 1x minus 4 and left x minus 5. So the LCM of the denominator of these three fractions are x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. As we find the LCM, then we can easily find out the common denominators terms. Now I erase the first part. My dear students, in every case you divide this LCM x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. We divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. Here x minus 2, x minus 3, and we get, if we divide then x minus 2, x minus 2 cut, x minus 3, x minus 3 cut, and left x minus 4 and x minus 5. This x minus 4 and this x minus 5 is multiplied with the numerator and denominator of the first fraction. That means now 1 by x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to x minus 4, x minus 5, then x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. My dear student, at first we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction and we get a answer. After that we multiply this number with the numerator and denominator of the required fractions. That means if we multiply this one with the answer, we get x minus 4 into x minus 5, and if we multiply this denominator of the number, we get x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. So first one is done, and second one again x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5, and this is the LCM. We divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction. Here second fraction is 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 4. Here denominator is x minus 3 into x minus 4. X minus 3 into x minus 4. Here you notice if we divide, then x minus 3, x minus 3 cut, x minus 4, x minus 4 cut, left x minus 2, x minus 5. Now x minus 2 and x minus 5 left. This x minus 2 and x minus 5 is multiplied with numerator and denominator of the second fraction. That means first up we write the second fraction 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 4. Then we multiplied. If we multiply x minus 2 and x minus 5 with 1, then we get x minus 2 into x minus 5, and we get x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. I hope you have understood. This is the second fraction. Okay, now we shall solve the same work for third fraction. First of all, we write the LCM x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. We divide this LCM by the denominator of the third fraction. Here third fraction is x minus 5 into x minus 4. If we divide this x minus 5 cut, x minus 4, x minus 4 cut, and left x minus 2 and x minus 3, and this x minus 2 and x minus 3 is multiplied with the numerator and denominator of the third fraction. Okay, I erase this. At first we write the third fraction, that means 1 by x minus 4, x minus 5. Now we multiply x minus 2 and x minus 3. Here you notice x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay, this is the required answer. My dear student, here you notice this fraction, and these fractions. Here denominators are same, denominator same, denominator same, denominator same. So turn 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c into the fraction with a common denominator, which is already done in our C number problems. Okay, my dear students, this is your today's CW, and this is your SW also. You have already know the importance of SW. Based on your SW, CT marks, SBA marks and diary marks will be given. So you must do your assigned SW in your SW copy regularly and submit it regularly in our school library. In our school library, your guardians or any other person can submit your SW within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in every Sunday. And each SW carries 2.5 marks. So don't neglect this SW. You must do SW and you need to practice more and more to solve CQ questions. Okay, and this is very important for your PSC exam and annual term also. So my dear students, this is my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.